Hey everybody, Drew Thompson here with Tennessee Valley Fence and DIYFenceparts.com. Now today I'm thinking about installing an aluminum fence around my house as a DIY project. So I'm going to go to DIYFenceparts.com and use our fence estimator to find out a really good price. Let's go. So here we are, and above the fold you'll see there's the fence estimator. When you pull it up and you come over here, and how much would your fence cost? Try our fence estimator. Now if you're looking for a wood or chain link fence, make sure you use the app found on our TennesseeValleyFence.com website. Plus, if you'd like for us to install your fence, the fence estimator on the Tennessee Valley Fence website adds the cost for labor in the estimate. Click on the link and boom, you're in fence estimator nirvana. The first thing you see is a form that includes your name, email address, property's physical address, and your phone number. Now rest assured we won't contact you when you use this form unless you specifically tell us to later in the process. You can begin by selecting the style and materials, or you can go right to work on the fence layout. The app uses the address you entered on the registration form and brings up a Google Earth view of the property. But you can change that address up here in the top address field. You can zoom in or out as needed to help draw the boundaries of your fence. Position your mouse and click where you'd like to add a starting point of the fence perimeter. Don't worry if you click in the wrong spot, because you can either hit undo or you can grab the dot and move it to where you want it. Continue to add perimeter points until you have enclosed the subject area. On the menu, you can select single gates and double gates and add them to the layout. Next, you will choose the materials, aluminum or vinyl in this case, the color, black or bronze, the style, and we'll choose classic, and then we'll choose the height. Here we'll select a 4-foot height. Now we'll move to the bottom of the page and click on the big red View Price button, and after a few calculations, you now have an estimate of cost and maintain a certain degree of anonymity. If you'd like us to contact you for an on-site estimate, click the big red Contact Me button, and one of our highly trained sales consultants will be with you shortly. Okay, that's it. Fence estimating made easy. Go ahead and try it for yourself, and be sure to drop me a note at drew@TennesseeValleyFence.com to let me know how it worked for you. Tennessee Valley Fence and DIYFenceparts.com. You'll love us around your place.